Hi class 5. Today is 18th June. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 5, that is the intelligent jackal. So in my previous class I have told you that a jackal has found a dead elephant body, and the jackal thought that it has got the food for many days. But then the jackal thought that the jackal does not have the sharp teeth, so he cannot eat away the whole elephant. So he saw the lion. Then the lion was coming, and what the lion told, that his streak was strong enough. Okay, so he told the lion to come and feast on that elephant. Then came the tiger, but the jackal thought the tiger will come and eat the whole elephant. So he got an idea, and he told that the tiger was having some poison, because he was killed. The elephant was having some poison, because the elephant was killed with a poisoned arrow. So the tiger thought that no, he cannot eat that elephant. Now today we are going to see what happened after that. Okay, so please look at page number 27. Now hearing this, the tiger walked away. So when the tiger heard about the poisoned body of the elephant, the tiger thought of not eating that elephant's body. Okay, then hearing this, the tiger walked away. The tiger went away from there. Just then, three eagles swooped down. Three eagles came down. Okay, now eagles swoop down. Swoop down, what is the meaning of swoop down? Swoop down meaning is move down quickly. Okay, swoop down meaning is move down quickly. So three eagles, they came down and sat on the elephant's body. Okay, the jackal got worried that the eagles would eat the elephant. So the jackal was worried that the eagles would eat the elephant. So if the jackal is worried that if the eagles will eat the elephant, then nothing will be left there for his food. He gathered courage and said. So that's why jackal said, "I have hunted him." The jackal told that I have hunted him. I have already sold his skin to 3 hunters. So he is telling that I have already hunted that animal, this elephant, and he also sold the skin to 3 hunters. Do not eat the elephant, else the hunters will kill you. Now, so he is telling that do not eat the elephants, otherwise the hunters will come and kill the eagle. Please fly away quickly. So the jackal instructed the eagles to fly away. The eagles got frightened and flew away. The eagles were very afraid. Okay, so the eagles thought that if the hunters will come here or arrive here, then their life will be at risk. That's why they also flew away. The jackal kept thinking, what should he do so that he could eat the elephant? Now jackal is thinking, how can he eat that huge elephant? Okay, please turn the page number 28. Now then see what happened. After a long time, the jackal finally saw a leopard coming in his direction. Thought that it was his best chance. He called loudly and said. Now suddenly the jackal saw a leopard. Okay, a leopard was coming towards the jackal in that direction, in his direction. So that time the jackal thought this is a very good chance. He shouted. Okay, he loudly said. What he said? The jackal said, "My friend, you look tired and hungry. Why don't you taste the elephant? The lion has killed him. He has asked me to keep a guard on him. The lion has gone to bring his family to feast on him. I will warn you as soon as I see the lion coming." Now the jackal is inviting the leopard that from your face I can understand you look very tired and hungry. So why don't you have some, why don't you taste the elephant? Okay, so he is asking the leopard to have some flesh from the elephant's body, and he is telling that this elephant was hunted by which animal? By the lion. So he told that the lion has killed him. So it is the right of the lion to eat the elephant. So he told that the lion has kept the jackal as guard, okay, and he went for calling his whole family and to have feast on that animal. So that's why he's telling that leopard, you can have some food from that elephant, and when he will see the lion coming, he will warn him and he can go there. Okay. Then the leopard said, yes, of course, thank you. The leopard was very happy. Okay. Now, being hungry, the leopard agreed. So, the leopard was also very hungry. The leopard agreed. He started cutting the skin of the elephant. The leopard started cutting the skin of the elephant with his sharp teeth. So, the leopard's teeth is very sharp. So, the leopard cut the skin of the elephant. Then the jackal watched him closely. The jackal was watching what the leopard was doing. Okay. Then, as soon as the leopard had cut open the skin and was about to enjoy the juicy flesh, the clever jackal called loudly. Now, as soon as the outer skin was finished and then the inside, the juicy flesh was coming out, and leopard thought that now he is going to enjoy the juicy flesh. At that moment, the jackal shouted loudly, okay, called loudly. The leopard jumped in fright. The leopard thought, yes, really the lion may be coming. Okay, that's why he was afraid. The leopard jumped in fright. Fright means fear. Okay, the leopard jumped in fear, was afraid, and that's why the leopard ran away inside the forest. So the leopard, he ran away into the forest. The jackal was very happy. The jackal was very happy because the juicy flesh came out. He enjoyed feasting on the elephant for many days. Now the jackal was happy because the juicy flesh came out from the elephant's body, and he is no more worried about his food. Now for many days he continued having the flesh from the elephant's body. Okay. So here last the jackal is telling, run, run, I see the lion coming with his family. When the that time when the leopard was having the food, that time the jackal loudly told that I see the lion coming from with his family. Okay. So students, we have finished with this chapter, this story which is taken from the Panchatantra. I hope that you have liked the story. So please, all of you, please read the story properly, learn the meanings, and also write down the meanings in your copy. Thank you.